Chief Imo.
Enna.
Kino kwa no jozo again.
You will not understand.
Oh, nkwapo ko.
Onyena kwapo. I saw kwapo. It would have been better that I am kwapoing. But I am not kwapoing. Rather, I am kwapoing. Yana na kwapo in a better place.
Ya was again na here.
You know, I told you before, I have a dream where I become a medical practitioner, a medical personality, somebody who heals, who takes care of the sick ones, who brings out child from people's for people. Funny enough, I've been traveling all around Nigeria just to gain admission in 1 or 2 schools around. I never knew that what I was looking for in Sokoto is here on my Sokoto. Ezala College of Nursing, College of Nursing and Midwifery Sciences has offered me an admission. I am moving into Okudo. I got a Mumuseke Okudo right now. That is where I am moving.
Okudo
Kaya. God bless you. Okudo Kayo. Imakwato I'm not Tomo Baristanye.
Koram.
Baristanye Kai. He told me that there is a school here in Okudo. I never knew. Ezala College of Nursing and Midwifery Sciences. They are offering all beautiful courses. I will do my midwifery. After doing my midwifery, I will do accident and emergency. Bam! Immediately I finish it, they will give me my paper. I will enter abroad because I don't want to go to abroad. Once I get there, I'll begin to look for papers. Or I begin to hide because I have no paper. No! Paper will be issued to you. This is an opportunity for me to travel abroad and start working immediately. Anybody that wants to be useful, now this is the opportunity. You can't wait. Give now hide from house to house for many years before you can start coming out. This is an opportunity. I pity all these our young girls who moves around waiting for young boys to come and sleep with them before they'll give them money. No, it is over. This is an opportunity that has come to us in our dormouts. I want everybody to enroll his or her child into this school whereby you acquire education, acquire not midwifery, acquire all acquirable. Then you move abroad and begin to help your family and help your husband. It's a good opportunity. If you enter motor from over there, once they stop you, or go to know an evil spirit on the road, say, evil spirit, where is Ezala College of Nursing and Midwifery? They will just point it here. And if you go to the school, very nice environment. Place for learning is so conducive and comfortable. English, but all these things is what I'm going to learn there, because I will also learn how to speak English and also learn how to do practice my course. So please, I want to urge all our parents, enroll your child in this very school, Ezala Nursing and College of Nursing and Midwifery Sciences. Do you know what our first outing with the council, we have 100%. Good. The only school so far in the whole federation that has gotten such a referendum. So please, and you know what, our convocation is on the 25th, 26th, and 27th of this April. Yes, now I am convocating. The convocating conversion. My brother, when I heard it, that was the first thing I said. So the good thing can later come to us. Obinigwe, you are so wonderful. You're only body that brought this idea within our environment. That person must live long. If you see students, beautiful students like I am, if you see students very neat, our shoes neat, their clothes neat, their clothes.
Mana Chief Imo, you can still get admission. You can still get admission no matter your dressing. Chief Imo, you get admission.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
Because I wouldn't want anything that will stand between me and acquiring this very education that I want to, this very position I want to acquire. I wouldn't want them to say, because the way why I covered up is because I wouldn't. Nobody will do that. That is why I have to cover myself, so that once I enter there, I didn't dress like this because I have an evil agenda. No, But if you say they will offer me cause oh, it's for men and female.
Yes, now.
I often have knows it, but now that you have educated me, there's no problem, no issues.
The
same school.
No matter dress,
so no matter how I dress,
yes,
I will be enrolled,
yes,
and I will acquire,
yes,
and certificate will be given to me,
exactly,
and abroad I will travel.
Exactly.
So mumu woke mumu why?
Yes.
Hey, over excitement has caused me. See, I am this one you could now. So even our brothers, you see all these our boys that are going around doing one or two, trying to take things that doesn't belong to them. Opportunity has come for you. You can as well enroll yourself in school, acquire education, something that will last forever. When people give to you, it will not last. How long will they continue to give you? But this one is like making yourself a fish catcher and not waiting for you to be given a fish. Are you getting my point? So our brothers should enroll, our sisters should enroll. At the end of it, all of us will become egg roll. Let me go and change as Chifimo and start going. Since she say it will be given to me.
Chifimo will be my job. So I want to get to school. Go bodo Igbo.
But there is no 3 words about it. 2 words, all the too close.
So go bodo in Ghana.
In Ghana, they now hide the because of paper. From here, once you are graduating, your papers are already ready. They will give you deployment if really you want to travel. Oh my God, we are with the beautiful of it, the beauty of it. No good on Ghana with the kwafa. Not hey, lekwemu nasu oh, lekwemu midwifery oh, lekwemu agate boku doggy turn because I want lekwemu oh, lekwemu nothing oh. Midwifery agate boku doggy turn. Hey, when you turn to Allah, Chineke will from now to the entire eternity of your life. Please go and seek for admission. Enroll yourself. Bidogoma. Hana posigi nurse Imo, Maza, nurse Waba, nurse Anyoko, Giza, nurse Ebelu. All different nurses depending on what your name is. Alright, see you in school. See you in Ezala College of Nursing and Midwifery Sciences. Okwodo. Demos.
Nurse Imo. Nurse Imo.
Education,
Nurse Imo.